one love, one heart. Let's head together. Feel alright. Halkan iyana waxay baafinaysaa gabadhii aabaheed muddo may arag 7 sano ah. Waxaa what's the father? Is he a part-time father or is a father? Yeah, fatherku waa inuu keelgareeyaa ilmaha. He can support for education. He can support the pocket money.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher.
We're on our way to Kane concert.
Throw my heart on the ground, 'cause tonight ain't the night for sorrow. But you can hurt me tomorrow.
Like, when I tell you I'm so done with this weather, like, I'm really honestly fucking done with this fucking weather. Like, oh my god, it's fucking May. My birthday's on Thursday. It's gonna be sunny today and tomorrow and Tuesday on fucking days that no one gives a fuck about. But the whole fucking weekend, on my birthday weekend, it's gonna fucking rain and snow. Like, honestly, it's my birthday. It's fucking May and I'm fucking ticked off. Like, when I tell you I'm mad, I'm about to beat the fuck out of somebody.
I know gossip English. I like Maros Adam. Waxa la soo sheegay intaas la wada. Waxa la soo sheegay waxa gurigeeda ma fiicno, dhar fiican ma aysan qabin. Dahabkana iyada ma lahay waa toban caaro. Hadda burkaati qabtay. Hadda ka dar diracaas hadda qabtay wajidha. Aroos ka sii horeeyay Hiblaayo ku arkay ka toban caaris. I know what they're talking about. That's the only things they have.
Hooyo, ani lacag for school. Man haysto. Hooyo, stop lying. Mandala.
377. It says mozzarella 377.
No, it's not a mozzarella.
It says mozzarella. It says black diamond. Yeah, black diamond mozzarella.
I don't think so.
Yeah, take some and then they'll show you at the top.
I seen the Somali girl, yeah. She's skinny, okay? She's skinny as fucking Bastafino Fino. If you don't know Bastafino Fino, Google it. This bitch is so skinny, yeah, that I could break her by just blowing on her.
She's in the car, she's in the house, she's at work, she's after work, she's in the city, she's in the zoo, she's when I'm sleeping. You know what I'm saying? They said this shit gonna kill me, man. Fucking, it's me, you're a phobe. How about that phobe? Fuck you! All you Kahoti motherfuckers come to Western countries. Oh, you're a phobe.
Comment faire pour enlever il y a 30 secondes déjà? Ah, j'ai 30 secondes pour parler, c'est ça? I wanna be on Somali Peak Nation. Yeah.
And yes, you got it, come on, I'm sorry, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me in my head. You're gonna miss me everywhere.
But this is my Allah.
Hello, you guys. Today I got conned like a sucker because of this. This actually isn't Marc Jacobs new perfume. No, it's actually air freshener in a bottle. Air freshener, yeah. This crap. I don't care. I don't give a crap. This is not Katy Perry's new perfume. No, it doesn't even look like it. Doesn't say your name either. But what did I do? I thought it was. Because I didn't care. I thought 5 perfumes for £20. Wow.
Now listen. ما بحاجة ما فكرتها ما واحد بدون بفكرتها ما استرس ما تهاي وما يصومها حجابك هو محل ما بدك سيدا ندك في حساب ولا إلهي ما كوجو داري ولا اسكو حشون نهاي وحسكفل نهاي إلى سمسمة وحسكفل بقولي يا ما بحاجة هكورين ما بحاجة
But we both know who's the worst. I'll let you have Mercedes. I'll just quench your thirst. But while you're kissing her, remember who hit it first.
We are at Rihanna concert. We about to go wild and out. Show the Ray-Bans. She got her Ray-Bans on. And I'm having hella good night. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Abdul Khadir Badab.
Haye? Maxaa cunaysaa?
Eater man. I am eater man. What did you say?
Yeah, I'm about to buy a machine gun. We drink it all, leave clean cups, make mountains look like speed bumps.
Hey.
waa hablaha Soomaaliyeed Islaameed oo walaalahay ah maanta talaan waan ila talinaya kowdhe waxaan soo baxay ma aragtay imka sameysana sunnayaasha marisiin ee sunnayaal inta la leeg waxaan ku wixii Pakistaanida u ekaa oo China insi waxa tahay ma aan la kala garanayn iska daaya ya makeup kan badan isla dhacaysin qurux buu Ilaahay idigu maneeyay qurux buu Ilaahay siiyay never seen in history xitaa chemistry Soomaali baa tihiin
سمي الله لمن حمده الله أكبر.
Hey guys, we're keeking at the same time, and I'm doing both mine also. So this is my sister, Amal. Keekalicious.
Wow, fantastic, baby. Fantastic, baby.
The skin stuck in my throat. Wish I could wash it down with soap. And I know that you won't forgive me, but this isn't healthy. So
in the night I hear him talk, the coldest story ever told. Somewhere viral on this road, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless?
One person told one of my closest friends / cousin / sister, yeah, how he drives trains in Paddington Station. Okay, so the other day I was at Paddington Station, me and a couple of friends. So this train driver. Well, let me tell you something. He wasn't driving no train. He was picking up litter from the floor. He was those rubbish men that clean the train station. And I took pictures and I sent them to my cousin and everyone just laughed at it. We didn't approach him, but...
Why is it that every time somebody sits next to me, they smell nasty? Like, not even like, you know, just a subtle, like nasty. Like, I have to openly just be like, at the window. Like, please respect me. You are vandalizing the community. This is illegal. Take a shower, bro. Perfume, something. You're traumatizing me. Stop this. Bye.
to life, back to reality, back to life, back to reality, back to life, back to reality.
So, the word thirst has a new meaning. And I no longer can walk around and say, I'm thirsty. Because that's going to mean someone's going to step up and say, you want the tea? No, I don't want the tea. I'm thirsty for water. And when did it get a new meaning? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't want the tea. You want...
Somalia have banned the samosa because it's too Western and it reminds them of the Christian Holy Trinity. I mean, wallah, how stupid can you be? It's an Asian dish. Next thing you hear is Jay-Z getting a fatwa he should get killed because he's Rockefeller and all the Toblerones will become haram as well. See you later.
What's up, are you mad? What the fuck? Everybody do that. Where the fuck did it go?
So I'm kind of like pissed right now because I did this facial thing, right? Let me show you guys. And my face is supposed to turn green, but look at my fucking face. It's like glossy and thick and clear. It feels kind of good though.
What happened to turn up? Your mom's here. Nasra! How are you bahdi? Say wallahi. You know what that means!
Suck my dick now. Fano. Himex. Refes ka fish speedy. Suck my dick now.
We're hanging, bitch!
Why? What happened? Something is close. We don't know what's close, but we will see when we get closer. What?
Look, 6 a.m. in Toronto. Wait, Miriam, what up? In Toronto. 5 a.m. in Toronto. Jeez, smoke that shit.
السلام عليكم يا أبلاي. لا سوى فيني. الحمد لله. ما معاكم كده عيوان دي السنة. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. كوكو مدحك أريد الله. ما هذا. الله بعد أوه بكرة مساقاتها.
Soft bread, very nice. Very nice. I like this bread. Alright, let's go, fam.
Hold up. 1 second. Homeboy, drop the beat. I got me some bars to spit. My name is Deka, or Dekia, from Somaliland. Say something about that, man.
Hey, boo, bitch, like to do that. Never to a teller. Speak it to a fella. 7 hour check, big blue water roller. Chillin' with the villain. Fuck you, the hero. Glad never, but it's fucking like a zero. Bitch is too slick. I'm a fox for a box. Bitch, push you up. I'm a fox for a box. Never rock socks. Here, kickbox. Somebody, baby, oh, bitches.
Since I've come on home, well, my body's been a mess, and I miss your ginger hair and the way you like to dress.
You ain't smoking on no loud pack, smoking on some dead Dutch or some cheese that was sprayed on, fam. Stop lying to us.
Okay, so this is a very serious keek. This is a shout out to that person out there somewhere in the world who gave me evil eye. Because of you, I now have that nasty zit on my chin. So, I just want to say that I hate you.
That car driving make you feel some type of way. I know you do. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way. I'm shining, ho. This bitch on we got me feeling some type of way. Okay. Is it cause my homies rich you feel some type of way? That right too. Some type of way. Make you feel some type of way.